Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video, I don't know, I feel like it's pretty random. My idea is to do, I guess, like a get ready with me. This is my actual birthday week, so it falls on the 18th, and I usually do my retwist on the 27th, which is the exact date of, me progressing every month, because of July 27 is when I started my journey. But sometimes when I do have places or things or events to do, I will push my retwist up earlier and just go ahead and style it and do everything from there, which this is one of those months. I don't like to do this a lot because, retwisting within like the 3-week mark isn't so bad, I would say, but I'm trying not to retwist too much within a month if it's possible, but I have done it a couple of times within, a year or so. Okay, so I washed my hair, clarified it, conditioned it, all of that. So now it's soaking wet, but it feels really clean, which is what I needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my retwist process. I do use clips. I do use a comb to try to keep the parts that I do have. I use rose water, and I'm also using my clip. And I also like to retwist with the Berry Fletcher Locs serum. Less is more with this because this is a really sticky product, so I try my best not to be as heavy-handed, but sometimes I am. But I'm gonna go ahead, and for me, I like to start retwisting my hair in the back and then move towards the front. Do you guys do the same thing? Do you start in the back? Do you start in the front? It just feels easier for me to do it that way, especially because the back is the hardest part to do because you can't see it. So I do have a mirror in front of me, and there's a mirror on this side so I can see the back of my head. So usually I do this in the bathroom, and I have the bathroom mirror, the one facing me, and then I use one of my smaller mirrors, portable mirrors, to kind of see the back in the bathroom. But for the video purpose, I'm going to do it right here. Okay, so I removed all the clips from my hair after my retwist, and this is what it's looking like. So I think I'm going to do some type of updo with like a bang or something. I don't know if the bang should be kind of in the center. As you see, it kind of hangs in my eyes a little bit. I'm going to try to do some barrel twists and leave this bang part out, I believe, and then somehow twist everything towards the front and then see how that looks or how it goes. So I got clips and hairpins to see if I can put this style together and see how this is going to work out. Okay, so I did about 4 of the barrel twists in the back, and I guess they came out okay. They're not as good as I would like them to be, but it was difficult trying to see the back of my head and trying to do this. But I still have this side. I'm going to do one, I guess, going this way maybe. And then here is the bang area that's going to be out. So I guess let me twist this one going up this way and then see how it looks from there. So I just started off with twisting or 2-strand twisting the first 2 twists, and then it's just a kind of pick up and go thing, and you continue twisting the locks as you pick them up on each side. But I try to make sure that they actually flow easily into the barrel. I try not to pick a side that is too far away or won't flow into the barrel twists. And some of my locks are shorter than others. So now that I'm at the end, I try to just push the hairpin so it's not visible, but it's inside. And I'm not sure what to do with these loose pieces at the ends of the other barrels. I think I may try to twist them somehow. And just pin them down also. I think I'm actually going to curl this bang part. So yeah, I think I'm gonna curl it up. Because you see how long my hair is getting to the point where it's starting to fall in my eyes, and this is going to be annoying, so I think I'm gonna curl it with some rods if I can find them. So let me go see what I can find to curl it. Okay, so I went in my stash and I have these 4 sizes of rods. I don't know if it's really gonna make that big of a difference. It probably will. But I'm thinking I may use all of them or just the gray version, which is this one. Maybe this size will work. But then I'm like, my locks are so short and some of them are shorter than other ones. Maybe I should use the pink one? I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. I may use all of them and just add them to the front. I did get some water. This is just plain water in here. I still have my rose water. So I think I'm just going to do that first, just wet the front part. And I'm definitely going to try not to wet my roots because I don't want to mess up my retwist, but I just want to get the hair as damp as possible on the ends so they will curl. Okay, so I put on my makeup, my dress, everything. So now when I remove these rollers, which they were still kind of damp, got from under the dryer, so they may not even be curled properly. It's just not as defined, or I should have probably used the smaller rollers, but I did this in a rush. Alright, so here is the final look.